If you have a JPG or PNG image and you need to convert it into an editable Word file, the problem is simple. JPG files are images, so you can't click, edit, or copy text from them directly. In this video, I'll show you two easy methods to convert JPG to Word. The first method is an online method, and the second method uses Microsoft Word itself. Let's start with the online method. Open your browser and search for Online OCR Image to Word Converter. Scroll down and open this specific website. Click on Select File to upload your image, choose your image, and click Open. Next, choose your image language. Then choose Word as the output format, and after that, click Convert. Wait for the process to complete. Once it's done, download the Word file. Open it, and now the text is editable. As you can see here, how perfect it is. Now let's move to the Microsoft Word method. Open Microsoft Word, click on Insert, then click Pictures, choose This Device, select your JPG file, and click Insert. As you can see, the text is still not editable. Next, click File, then click Save As. Choose a location, give the file a name, and change the file type to PDF. Save the file. Now click File again, click Open, and select your image PDF. Click OK to confirm. Word will convert the PDF into an editable document. Once it opens, the text is now clickable. You can edit text, add new content, or remove anything you want. But as you can see, it's not as perfect as the first method. That's it. Your JPG image has been successfully converted into a Word file. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.